I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the receiver and setting it to pairing or the correct input. This makes the device discoverable. On your phone, open Bluetooth or plug in the cable output so the phone can send audio. Once done, make sure other paired devices are turned off or moved away to avoid auto-reconnect interference. Why this matters: reducing radio traffic and matching inputs prevents failed connections and speeds pairing, so you get audio faster without troubleshooting. Now execute the connection. If using Bluetooth, tap the receiver name in your phone's list and accept any PIN prompts. Pairing establishes a secure link. If using a cable, plug it in and select the phone's audio output, then switch the receiver to the matching input. After initial link, you set phone volume to about 50% to avoid loud pops, then adjust both devices for balance. Make sure to test playback so you confirm left/right channels and stable audio. To finish, play a sample track and fine-tune phone and receiver levels so you achieve clear sound without distortion. This helps avoid clipping. If you don't hear anything, restart both devices, unpair and repair, or swap the cable. These steps resolve most connection issues because they reset software and hardware states. One quick troubleshooting tip: if sound is choppy, check for firmware updates and change Bluetooth codec settings on your phone to improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.